What if I told you that you hold the pen to your future? That you could literally write your dream life into existence and see it manifest faster than you ever thought possible? Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing the exact scripting method that has transformed thousands of lives, and it's about to transform yours. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Kuvox Shift. I'm Sukhmander, and you're tuning into a very special episode of our Awaken Your Inner Creator series. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that has profoundly impacted countless lives, including my own: scripting for manifestation. If you've ever wanted to truly take control of your future, to write your dream life into existence, and see incredibly fast results, then you are in the absolute right place. Get ready to learn the powerful manifestation scripting method that works. We all have dreams, right? Big dreams, small dreams, whispers of desires that echo in our hearts. But how many of us truly believe we can make them happen? How many of us feel like we are just waiting for life to happen to us, rather than actively creating it? Today, we shift that paradigm. We are talking about scripting your reality, a technique so potent, so transformative, that once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about active, intentional creation. It's about literally writing your future. What exactly is scripting for manifestation? So, let's start with the basics. What is scripting? In the simplest terms, scripting for manifestation is the act of writing down your desires as if they have already happened. It's like writing a story, your life story, but instead of recounting the past, you're detailing your desired future in vivid, present tense terms. You're essentially creating a manifestation script for your life. Think of it this way: your mind, your subconscious, doesn't always differentiate between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you script your dream life with emotion and detail, you're feeding your subconscious mind a powerful narrative. You're programming it for success, for abundance, for the very experiences you wish to manifest. This is a core manifestation technique that leverages the law of attraction in a profoundly effective way. It's a powerful manifestation tool that truly accelerates results. Why scripting is so powerful for manifestation? Now, why is this particular manifestation method so incredibly effective? There are several key reasons why scripting your desires stands out among other manifestation techniques. Clarity and specificity. When you write, you're forced to get specific. Vague desires lead to vague results. Scripting demands you clarify exactly what you want, leaving no room for ambiguity. This clarity sends a stronger signal to the universe. It helps you manifest specific goals. Emotional engagement. As you write your story, you naturally engage with the emotions of having already achieved your desires. You feel the joy, the relief, the excitement. This emotional connection is the fuel for fast manifestation. The universe responds to feeling, not just thought. Subconscious programming. Repeatedly writing and visualizing your desired reality imprints it deeply into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious then begins to work tirelessly, aligning your thoughts, actions, and opportunities with your written desires. It's a powerful form of subconscious reprogramming for manifestation. Overcoming limiting beliefs. As you script, you're actively bypassing limiting beliefs that might reside in your conscious mind. You're telling a new story, a story of success and abundance, which gradually overwrites old, unhelpful narratives. This is key for overcoming manifestation blocks. Action inspiration. Scripting isn't just passive wishing. When you truly immerse yourself in your future reality, you'll often find yourself inspired to take aligned action. Ideas will flow, opportunities will appear, and you'll naturally be drawn to what you need to do to make it happen. It's a fantastic manifestation strategy for action. This is why writing your future is such a game changer. It's an active co-creation process with the universe. Step-by-step guide: how to script your dream life, the method that works. All right, let's get into the actionable steps. This isn't just theory. This is a practical, step-by-step guide to help you start scripting for fast results. Grab a pen and paper or open a document on your computer. Let's create your manifestation script. Step 1. Create a sacred space and time. First, find a quiet time and space where you won't be disturbed. This is your sacred time for creation. Light a candle, play some calming music, whatever helps you feel relaxed and focused. You want to be in a high vibrational state. This is crucial for effective manifestation exercises. Step 2. Get clear on your desires. Before you write, know exactly what you want. Be specific. Don't just say, I want more money. How much money? By when? What will you do with it? Do you want a new job? What kind? What are the responsibilities? What's the salary? The more detailed you are, the clearer the message you send. This is the foundation of effective scripting. Step 3. Write in the present tense, as if it's already happened. This is the golden rule of manifestation scripting. Write as if your desires have already manifested. Use phrases like, I am so grateful that, or I am thrilled to announce that, or it feels amazing to have. Avoid future tense like, I will have or I want. The universe responds to what is. This is a powerful aspect of present tense manifestation. Instead of, I will get my dream job soon. Write, I am so incredibly grateful and excited to be thriving in my dream job as a marketing director, earning $120,000 a year, working with an amazing team, and feeling creatively fulfilled every single day. See the difference. Feel the difference. This is how you script your reality into existence. Step 4. Engage all your senses and emotions. Don't just list facts. Describe how it feels. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, touch in your manifested reality? How do you feel emotionally? The more vivid and emotionally charged your writing, the more powerful your manifestation. Example, if you're scripting a new home, don't just say, I have a new house. Describe walking through the front door, the scent of fresh paint, the sunlight streaming through the windows, the feeling of peace and joy as you sit in your new living room. This is the essence of vivid manifestation scripting. Step 5. Incorporate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for more of what you want. As you script, express profound gratitude for having already received your desires. Thank you for this incredible opportunity. I am so grateful for the abundant life I now live. This amplifies your manifestation power. Gratitude for manifestation is non-negotiable. Step 6. Write from the end result backward, optional but powerful. Some people find it incredibly effective to imagine themselves at the end, having achieved their goal, and then writing a journal entry from that future date, recounting how it all came to be. This reverse scripting can be incredibly potent for accelerated manifestation. Step 7. Consistency is key, the daily practice. This isn't a one-and-done exercise. To truly see fast results with scripting, make it a consistent practice. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day, or at least a few times a week, to revisit your script. You can rewrite it, expand on it, or simply read it aloud, feeling the emotions. Repetition reinforces the message to your subconscious. This is your daily manifestation practice. Step 8. Detach and trust the universe. Once you've scripted with emotion and intention, release the outcome. Don't obsess over when or how. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf. Your job is to set the intention, feel the feeling, and then allow. This detachment for manifestation is crucial for preventing resistance. Don't constantly check if it's here yet. Just know it's coming. Common pitfalls to avoid when scripting for manifestation. While scripting your dream life is incredibly powerful, there are a few common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Let's make sure you avoid them. Being vague. We already covered this, but it bears repeating. I want to be happy is too vague. What specifically makes you happy? Specificity in manifestation is paramount. Focusing on the how, don't try to dictate how your desires will manifest. That's the universe's job. Your job is to focus on the what and the why you're feeling. Leave the mechanics to the infinite intelligence. This is a common manifestation mistake. Writing from a place of lack. If you're writing from a feeling of desperation, or I don't have this, you're manifesting more lack. Shift your mindset to one of abundance and gratitude even before it appears. Abundance mindset for manifestation is essential. Lack of emotion. Scripting without feeling is just writing words on a page. Infuse every sentence with genuine emotion and excitement. Remember, emotion is the language of the universe. Giving up too soon, manifestation takes time, consistency, and belief. Don't script for a week and then declare it doesn't work. Keep going, especially when you feel doubt creeping in. Consistency in manifestation is key to success. I've seen countless examples of people who have successfully used scripting to transform their lives. From landing dream jobs, to attracting soulmates, to manifesting significant financial abundance, the evidence is everywhere. I've personally used it to expand Kuvox Shift, to bring incredible opportunities into my life, and to create a life that truly resonates with my highest self. The power of scripting for success is undeniable. It truly is a proven manifestation method. Advanced scripting tips for accelerated results. For those of you ready to take your manifestation scripting to the next level, here are a few advanced tips. Combine with visualization. As you script, close your eyes and vividly visualize the scenes you're writing. Engage all your senses. This amplifies the power. Visualization for manifestation and scripting go hand in hand. Read your script aloud. Hearing your words spoken reinforces them even further. Read them with conviction and emotion. Create a manifestation journal. Dedicate a specific notebook solely for your scripting. This creates a powerful energetic container for your desires. Script different areas of your life. Don't just focus on one thing. Script for your relationships, health, career, finances, personal growth. Create a holistic dream life script. Revision and refinement. As you evolve, your desires might too. Don't be afraid to revise and refine your script. It's a living document of your evolving dreams. This is part of the manifestation journey. So, to recap everything we've covered today, because I want you to walk away with a crystal clear understanding of how to script your dream life. Scripting is writing your desires, as if they've already happened, in vivid detail and present tense. It's a powerful manifestation technique. Its power comes from clarity, emotional engagement, subconscious programming, overcoming limiting beliefs, and inspiring action. The step-by-step process involves creating a sacred space, getting crystal clear on your desires, writing in present tense, engaging senses and emotions, incorporating gratitude, being consistent, and then detaching. Avoid common pitfalls like being vague, focusing on the how, writing from lack, lacking emotion, and giving up too soon. Advanced tips include combining with visualization, reading aloud, using a dedicated journal, scripting holistically, and refining your script as you grow. This scripting method is not magic in the traditional sense, it's a profound application of universal laws. It empowers you to be the architect of your own reality. It's about consciously choosing and creating your future. Your inner creator is waiting to be unleashed. You have the power within you to write the most incredible story. What are you waiting for? Start scripting your dream life today. Pick up that pen, open that document, and begin the amazing journey of writing your reality into existence. The results, my friends, can be truly breathtaking and incredibly fast. If this resonated with you, if you're ready to embrace the power of scripting, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Kuvox Shift for more Awaken Your Inner Creator content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next powerful episode. And I want to hear from you. What are you going to script first? Share your intentions in the comments below. Let's create a community of empowered creators. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, keep shifting, keep creating, and keep shining your light. This is Sukhmander, signing off from Kuvox Shift.